मैं हूं वंशिका, आप सबकी होस्ट और आप देख रहे हैं एड्रेस ऑफ चॉइस. Address of Choice is a channel that provides you with detail-oriented overview of different properties in different cities. Till now, we have covered many properties in Delhi, Noida, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, and we are going to cover many more. So stay tuned for it. Well, आज मैं आई हूँ हावरे, my first home, which is in Navi Sheel in Navi Mumbai. Havre holds the legacy of 30 years plus. Not only this, 45,000 plus families are living happily in the properties which are delivered by Havre. Also, 160 plus project has been delivered by Havre Group. So now in this video, I am going to talk about all the amenities, facilities and everything which this property is going to provide. So let's go and take a look. Now let's discuss the locality and connectivity that this project has to provide to us. Let me tell you, this is situated in Navi Sheel, which is in Navi Mumbai. Not only this, Diva station is just 10 minutes away from the property. Ghansoli station is only 10 minutes away from the property. Mumra station is also 10 minutes away. Airoli Katai tunnel is 5 minutes away from the property. Metro line 12 and 14 is 5 minutes drive. GHC hospital is also 5 minutes away. Xperia Mall is just 15 minutes away from the property. Now, let me explain to you about the formation, structure and all the facilities which this project has to provide to us. So, the Havre, my first home, is built on 7 acres of freehold land parcel, among which 2 acres of land parcel provides you with open green space. Not only this, you will also have 48 plus different species of flora dedicated in your residential area. Also, this property not only provides to you your home but also a lifestyle, as it gives you 50 plus lavishing and luxurious amenities. So let's talk about the amenities which this project has to provide to us. So, the very first and special amenity is that this project provides to you a namaz area. As you can see over here and here, you will have your namaz area. You will have 5 swimming pools, one for women, one for gents and for children as well. It provides you 50 plus lifestyle amenities, 5 swimming pool, kids play area, mini theatre, gym, amphitheatre, Zumba space and yoga space, spa and sauna zone, banquet hall and specific namaz area. So, right now I am standing in the front of the 3D model of Havre, my first home. Let me explain to you the elevation and formation a little bit more. So, if I talk about the elevation of Havre is such that you will have your ground level, then 3 levels of podium parking. On 4th level, you will have your floor amenities. From 5th floor to 34th floor, all the habitable floor starts, as you can see. And on 35th floor, you will have your rooftop amenities. I already mentioned that this is built on 7 acres of freehold land parcel and it provides you with 4 towers, which has the configuration of 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 1 RK. They also have 3 BHK, but it is already sold out. So if you don't want to miss out on 1 BHK and 2 BHK, it is your chance now to grab it aside. So yeah, also let me talk to you about the major USP of the project. Right next to your property will be 3 level of a commercial shop which will be soon converted into a mall. So you will have your all the daily necessities, or if you want to shop from any brand, you will have it right by your corner. So yeah, now let's take a look at the sample flats which this property has to offer to us. So let's go. Now let's take a house tour of 1 BHK apartment which is of the size 498 square feet. So let's go. As you move, you will have your living and dining area which is of the size 10 by 13. Not only this, you will also be provided with an attached deck which is of the size 10 by 2.5. Let me tell you this, the height from floor to ceiling is 10 feet. So yeah, this is a very spacious and long-heighted lobby. Moving ahead will be your kitchen. The size of your kitchen is 7 by 11 into 7 by 7 and you will be provided with 2 platforms, one for your cooking area and the another one for your dry area. Not only this, you will also have your dry utility area, but it will be opposite to your kitchen and it goes attached with your common toilet. So over here is your common toilet, which is of the size 3 by 11 into 5 by 11, and you will have attached deck or dry utility area where you can wash your utensils or your clothes, as you can see. Now let's take a look at the bedroom of the apartment, which is of the size 9 by 6 into 11. Yes, as you can see, it is very spacious and you will have an ample amount of space for your wardrobe area. Not only this, you will also have your attached toilet or bed toilet, which is of the size 6 by 11 into 3 by 11. All the sanitary fittings which you can see is going to be provided by the builder. Also, builder is going to provide you with vitrified tilings. So yeah, this was all about the tour for 1 BHK apartment. Now let's take a look at the 2 BHK show flat, which is of the size 733 square feet. As soon as you move ahead, you will have your living and dining area, which is of the size 10 by 16. Also, the very interesting part is that the living area is shaped into L shaped, as you can see. Also, you will be provided with the deck, and the size of the deck is going to be 10 by 2.5. It will provide you with a beautiful views of hills, as you can see from here, as well as depending on the facing of your apartment, you can also have your cityscape view. So yeah, now let's go and take a look at the kitchen. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. The size of the kitchen is 7 by 3 into 8 by 6. Here also you will be provided with 2 platforms, one for your cooking area and the another one for your dry area. Moving ahead will be your dry utility area, but it will be opposite to your kitchen and attached to your common toilet. The size of the common toilet is 3 by 11 into 6 by 11. You can also term it as 4 by 7. Here is your dry utility area, as you can see. This can be used for washing utensils or keeping your washing machine. So let me tell you this also, the major USP which I found about this property is that it provides you with a long-tailed balcony which is connected from your kitchen and goes to your first bedroom and to your second master bedroom as well. As you can see, this will be approx 35 to 40 feet long balcony, and again, as I told you, it will provide you with amazing view of valleys and cityscape. Moving ahead is your first bedroom of 2 BHK apartment, and it can be used as a study room or a kids room. The size of this bedroom is 8 by 10 into 8 by 6. As you can see, it can be set up as a very cute and cozy environment for your kids. So let's go and take a look at the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom, and it also comes along with the toilet, and the size of the toilet is 6 by 11 into 3 by 11, which again can be termed as 7 by 4. Now let's take a look at the room. The size of the room is 9 by 10 into 12 by 2. As you can see, it is very spacious, and you will also have a space for your cosmetic storage or anything which you want to store, as well as your wardrobe space. Not only this, you will also have a full glass windows which will again provide you the amazing view of either a cityscape or Airoli Creek. Well, that was it from our side about this breathtaking property situated amidst the forest and greenery, the Havre, my first home. Also, let me tell you this, the possession date for this property of the 4 towers which I just described to you right now is in 2027 December. Well, I hope I was able to explain this property to you well. If you still have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section below or call on the number which is given in the description box. If you want us to cover any other properties or you want us to discuss any other things, please let us know in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your time and thanks for watching.